Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be doing a template preview for the Squeeze It bottle. This was a request over on my Patreon page. The measurements for this template will also be on my Patreon page, and you can purchase the template by itself if you would like to from my website. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like. I went on ahead and did the baby shark. You guys, I think this is super cute. Look at it. Super cute. Super simple. I just went on ahead and printed this out with regular paper, but you can laminate it if you would like it to be waterproof. I suggest laminate it or either covering it in the clear shipping tape. That is an old technique that I used to do. It never fails. Yeah, but this is how it turned out. I think it's super cute, super simple to add some customized items to any event, a kids event, I'm guessing, if it's a Squeeze It. If you have any questions at all, as always, you guys, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye.